In a bustling forest, there lived three little birds, Sunny, Feather, and Twinkle. Sunny, the canary, was known for her melodious songs that echoed through the trees. Feather, the wise old owl, watched over the forest with a keen eye, guiding and protecting the younger birds. Twinkle, the tiny bluebird, fluttered about with boundless curiosity, eager to learn about the world beyond their nest. One sunny morning, a fierce storm swept through the forest, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Trees swayed dangerously, and the ground trembled under the weight of the rain. The little birds huddled together, scared yet determined to find safety. Feather declared,
"We need to find shelter."
her voice steady despite the chaos around them. Sunny, with her brave heart, suggested,
There's an old oak tree nearby. Its hollow might protect us from the storm.
With Feather's guidance and Twinkle's enthusiastic encouragement, they set off through the howling wind and pounding rain. The journey was perilous, with branches cracking and debris flying, but they pressed on, their unity and determination shielding them from fear. Finally, they reached the ancient oak tree. Its hollow was large enough to shelter them all. They nestled inside, shivering from the cold but safe from the storm's wrath. As they waited for the storm to pass,
Bravery comes in many forms. Sunny, your courage to lead us here saved us all. Twinkle, your curiosity and quick thinking kept us moving forward. And together, we weathered the storm.
each passing moment, the storm subsided, and the forest emerged calm and refreshed. The little birds emerged from their shelter, stronger and closer than ever before. From that day on, they were known as the brave little birds of the forest. Their story a reminder that courage, wisdom, and curiosity can overcome any challenge. And as the sun set over the forest, the brave little birds sang their songs of unity and courage, a testament to the power of friendship and resilience.
In the forest green and bright through the storm, we faced the fight. Sunny's courage led the way, Feather's wisdom night and day, brave
Little birds, we soar high, underneath the open sky. Together strong, we'll always be.
Hearts, unity. Twinkle's curiosity brought us hope and clarity. Through the wind and pouring rain, friendship's bond will still remain. Brave little birds,
we soar high underneath the open sky. Together strong we'll always be in our
Hearts, unity.
brave little birds, for free. In our forest, a family. With courage bright and spirits light, together we'll take flight.
Moral: true bravery is found in unity, courage, and the strength to face challenges together.